Chapter on what has been related about sneezing during Salah is from Ash-Shaitan. Abu Yaqadhan narrated from Adi, and he is Ibn Thabit, from his father, from his grandfather, from the Prophet, peace be upon him, sneezing, dozing, and yawning during Salah, and menstruation, regurgitation, and nosebleeds are from Ash-Shaitan. This hadith is graded da'if, or weak. Comments: the first three things mentioned in the hadith make a person neglectful of prayer, and the latter three things break the prayer. This is what Satan likes and wishes, that a Muslim remains unmindful of the prayer, and the acts of worship are disrupted. Due to this, these things are referred to Satan.